Dynamic Defender to secure and manage your small business or home internet connections. What is it? Dynamic Defender is a network device which will number 1 protect your network, number 2 manage the accessing sites, and number 3 quota and bandwidth management. Yes, all three functions and capabilities in just one small device powered with machine learning algorithms which will make the device smarter each and every day. Our target audiences are SOHO environments, small scale businesses, and also home users. You already have a router or a dongle at home? Connect it to the Dynamic Defender, which will act as a Wi-Fi router itself. The users can connect to the internet through Dynamic Defender SSID and enjoy the secure navigation experience. Dynamic Defender's first module, intrusion detection. An attacker registers with Dynamic Defender and then tries to do a DOS attack on the network. But Dynamic Defender identifies this and blocks the attacker's IP from accessing the network itself. Meanwhile, the admin gets a threat alert in a form of an email. Now, the second module of Dynamic Defender, URL categorizing, site whitelisting and blacklisting. You can browse the internet as you can see, but let's try Facebook. You can't access as the social media category is blocked. This is a way to make sure your employees are not stuck in social media all day. Let's try a torrent site that someone would download a movie from your company's data. Nope, it's blocked as well. Parents are constantly worried about exposing their kids to the internet. Adult sites are a reason. Ashley Madison adult dating site is a very good example for this. Dear parents, we got you covered. Let's get to our third module, quota and bandwidth management. A customer can create their profile when using Dynamic Defender Network for the very first time and then sign in to see how much data quota they have left. This will efficiently manage the company's data quota, no more paying for extra GBs and no more leftover GBs as well. After all, we manage the bandwidth too. Let's do a speed test. Two devices connected to Dynamic Defender's Wi-Fi can be seen. The tablet is owned by a customer with more loyalty points. The cell phone is owned by a new customer. The network speed offered to the loyal customer can be customized as needed. This situation can take place at some kind of a cafe or a coffee shop. Simply turn on this module to give your loyal customers a feel of speciality. Good for your small business as well. The Team Dynamic Defender guarantee a user-friendly admin panel. Intrusion detection. You can specify which types of network attacks the Dynamic Defender should worry about and where to send the mail alerts to. URL blacklisting. You get a list of already blacklisted sites. You can specify URL categories to block or else blacklist a URL individually. Or if not, simply whitelist a URL which is already on the list. Reports of change logs and access logs will be mailed to the admin email provided at the setup. Quota management gives you the allocated and remaining quota per user. You can add a user as well. Bandwidth management can be of static or dynamic in a time-based manner. This is Dynamic Defender.